Disclaimer, me calling your coin a shitcoin does not mean it's shit. I'm just basing it off of a term from Google, which should pop up in my face right now. So don't get offended, please, if I call a coin you like a shitcoin. Also, none of this is financial advice. I'm just a random teenager that's almost done with high school. So please just do your own research. This series is made for fun, to learn more about altcoins that most people won't even know exist. And finally, in the future, if this channel does blow up somehow magically, or I get more recognition, etc., whatever, there will be impersonators. I can tell you for sure that will happen. This is what a comment from me will look like. And I will not be trying to contact you through WhatsApp and other weird apps like that. The only way for me to contact you, or you vice versa, would be through Discord, which should probably be bots on there too. Anyway, just enjoy the video. Alright, welcome to the first episode of the Shitcoin mining adventure. I still don't know if I want to name it that, but we'll see, we'll figure it out. So the first coin we are going to talk about is Pulsar. This is a CPU mineable coin, but the catch is that it's both it's like a hybrid of proof of stake and proof of work. So the thing is, you can mine it on a CPU, like I said, and then you can like stake it or whatever with the wallet open at the same time, which is the proof of stake aspect. Which, if you look here, this gigahash right here in the network hash rate is from the proof of stake part, and then this is probably like from the CPU mining part. And yeah, they are planning to try and like in the future, it looks like they're trying to get rid of just CPU mining and just become just proof of stake in general, because they don't really want to do ASICs because it takes a lot of electricity. So they're trying to be green, it seems like. I just scammed through this, by the way. The purpose is basically to create a large-scale cryptocurrency use on a regular basis, which is like basically every single cryptocurrency that wants to be. Yeah, that's just basically what every crypto want to be. So yeah. And then it basically says that they value like security and stuff like that. And yeah. So this coin was made in January 31st, so it's been like a month or two since it's been out. So this is a very, very new coin. This could become nothing, basically, and who knows. Speculative mining is speculative mining. Yeah. Alright. So if you look on here, the difficulty did rise a lot recently, which sucks, but whatever. I did find this coin on Rapid Mining, if you know that YouTuber, and yeah, he's decently big, and he brings a lot of work to new coins, which usually means something like this would happen, and the hash rate will go up a lot too. So yeah, the exchanges that they're on is Xbitron, Udinex, Alt Markets, and that's it. I heard of this one. I never used any of these, to be honest. I heard of Udinex too, and yeah. So I'm going to show you how to start mining this coin on HiveOS and Windows, and I'll be back in a week to show you my profits. I will be mining this on all my CPUs because Raptorium isn't, it's like with all my CPUs, which is like 13 kilohash per second, I only get like $1.50 per day, which is it's nothing to mock out, but it's not really too much money. So I'm perfectly fine with just throwing everything at this just for the meme. This might become something, it might not. It most likely won't, but we'll see. Alright, the first thing you need is a wallet. So in order to get a wallet, you just scroll down from this website right here, PulsarCoin.org. You go down, you download the Windows wallet or whatever operating system you are on. I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna do that. And then I don't want to do this on there, I'll just do it there. You just download it, you open it, and then you just extract it to wherever you want it to be. I have a certain place that I like to have it at, which is in this crypto folder where my wallet is, and I will make a new folder and call it Pulsar. There we go. And close that, do that. Don't mind the sexy dude. Crypto. wallet, Pulsar. Let's open it up. Next, you can choose where you want your actual thing at, which I want it in here. I'm just gonna throw it there. I should have just put that in downloads, but whatever. It's fine. Then it says run it, which that's what we want to do. Run it. That it doesn't really matter. You could do a custom one if you want. Whatever. You can just read it yourself. Allow. There we go. Now it's gonna take a little while for it to catch up on the blocks and stuff. And yeah. Alright, the next thing you want to do is go to GitHub, look up SRBminer. In fact, I'll have this link in the description anyway, so you can just click the link. This is SRBminer, multi, CPU, AMD, blah blah blah. We're just going to use the CPU, which I don't know, could you mine this on GPU? It probably wouldn't be worth it anyway, so it doesn't matter. So, I'm on Windows. I'm going to do the .zip file. I'm going to download that, save, open when done. One thing you could do if you're having problems downloading it is go to Windows Security, because sometimes, yeah, like this sometimes fucks with the mining software, so you can turn that off. And then go to extract and desktop, crypto, CPU. I'm going to make a new folder called Pulsar. Okay. Another thing you can do is go to Windows Security, and you can make a exclusion folder. So let's say you don't want to have that off 24/7. You can make an exclusion folder, which basically means like, don't look at this for viruses and stuff. Which I have a lot actually, but yeah. So you could have your like antivirus thing on while it's not going ham on your mining software. Anyway, go to CPU, go to Pulsar, SRBminer, and now we want to start mining Pulsar, right? Alright, so you look for something that is called, if I can find it, I don't know why I'm so blind. Where is it? Give me a minute. Jesus Christ. There we go. Curve hash coin. That's what we're looking for. You go here. First thing you want to do is go to properties. Actually, nope. This is the wrong thing. You go to SRBminer multi, the .exe file. Go to here. Properties. Compatibility. Then you would want to run this as an admin. And then on here, we're looking for curve hash coin, which I'm going to delete all these other ones because I'm not going to mine these. There we go. You don't need all these .bat files. Just make it more simpler for me to see what's going on. Did I actually delete? No, it's right here. Now, go to edit. So, now we need to put the wallet here, which in order to get your wallet, you go to file, you go to receiving address, and then you press new. I already made one, and you press copy. You can name the label whatever you want. And right here, you put your wallet. So I'm going to use our plants, I guess, instead. So in order to start mining on our plant instead, you could choose America or wherever you live there. That's really not what we're going to be using. Wallet address, yeah. We already have our wallet address and stuff. What we really need is this URL. Just this. So we go here, right click, edit. So we keep this because this is the actual algorithm. But we change this. And this should hypothetically mine Pulsar directly, hopefully. Because I don't know what the hell's going on with Zerg. Your wallet, you get that from, your wallet like I showed before. So while that loads, you put your wallet there. This password, I don't think we need all of that. We'll see. Let's see. We have that America wallet address. You could actually just put the stuff in here. You could just put blah dash u. Yeah, we don't have that. Worker name, where would you put the, okay. So you put the wallet, then dot, and then whatever you want to name it. For here, I want to name it main 3900X. Dot main 3900X. Password, I don't think you need to put a password. Yeah, I don't think you need to put a password. I don't know, do you? And yeah, that's all you really need. And this should be actually mining Pulsar directly. So, yeah. I'll just save that. We don't need password. You can set your CPU threads if you want. That's all up to you, really. Now, if you close this out, let's open that mining software. Run as admin. Yeah. Alright, I'm back on the Pulsar app. So we go to connect. Nope, not connect. My miners. Oh, yeah, my miners. Then you get your address, which, let me get that real quickly. There it is. Let me actually do that. Set. And there we go. Now it's actually showing the hash rates, which I just put everything in, so it's going to be super low. Now for the staking part of it, you have to have your wallet open 24/7 in order for it to stake. If you close the wallet, you're not staking anymore with whatever Pulsar you have in here. So in order to stake, you have to go to settings, encrypt your wallet, which I actually already did that, which basically looks like this. You enter your passphrase, and then you put like a confirm thing, and that's it. Then it'll ask you to like restart your wallet, so it just restarts it, and you have to just like reopen it, and then you press the unlock wallet, and you just put your password in, and then you'll just be mining. Well, not mining. You'll be able to just stake the Pulsar you mine, but you have to keep this wallet open. So I'm planning to put this on my laptop 24/7 because I don't really like having this open on my main PC. It's just not. I don't really like that. Which one thing you can do is just back up the wallet and all that, but I'm not going to show you how to do that. So now what you need to do in order to mine Pulsar on HiveOS is go to wallets. They don't have this coin supported, but you can still mine it. So you do that, you just type in the Pulsar thing, and then you create this thing, right? And you paste that address you have from here. You could just name it mining, I guess. And that's all you need to do, really. And then press create. Then you go to your flight sheets. And then you type in, oh, it's right there, PLSR. You select your wallet. And then I would just do configure and miner because you can't do anything else. And look up SRBminer. Perfect. Then we go to set miner config, which here we will look up, what was it called again? Curve hash. And then with the wallet, that's all we need there. So for the pool, for me, it will be this. And then for the password, this is going to be this. Oops. But the ID should be whatever you want to name it. And I accidentally moved something. Control Z. There we go. Everything looks right. Pulsar ID. Yeah, cool. Then worker name. I don't think you really need to put a worker name since your password's right there. Then you could add your CPU threads if you want. I don't think I'll have to do that. I only need one. Yeah. We're not doing any. We're not mining another algorithm, so this is all you need, it looks like. Do that. Create flight sheet. And then you will apply that flight sheet to a worker, which I will go to this worker, for example. Go to flight sheets, and you find that Pulsar, and then you launch it to the moon. And then you could just go to here, Hive shall start, and you could just check to make sure it's working right. This GPU there's something wrong with this GPU, but whatever. Who cares? Sometimes it mines, sometimes it doesn't. It's very derpy. There you go. Alright, so now we go in Hive Shell. As you can see right here, it is mining already. Alright, and then you can type miner. And you can see that it's doing its job, basically. We'll just wait and see until it gives me a number or hash rate. Yeah, 28.93. Perfect. And yeah, that's all you need to do in order to mine Pulsar. And I will be back next week, which would be Saturday the 12th. Well, actually, I'm doing 2 coins at the same time. So this would be mining for 2 weeks, actually. So this video would probably be out on Saturday the 19th, hypothetically. Yeah, and then I'm doing OPTC, which would be on the 12th. Yeah, that sounds right. Alright, yeah. So enjoy mining Pulsar. I hope good wealth and luck for you, and yeah. Hopefully this becomes something. If it doesn't, then oh well. Alright, future me is here. So, I basically mined this coin 2 weeks, but one of the week was on Zergpool, which was mining a different coin, which was curve hash, and it was basically trading that into Pulsar. So I have that balance, which I'm going to do the balance now, subtract that to get the 1 week worth of crypto on directly mining Pulsar. I know it's kind of confusing and everything's a mess. I'm sorry about that. Zergpool's gay. That's all I can say to that. And yeah. Alright, it finished. So this is how much I have from this week for mining a coin that I didn't even mean to mine. 435.1462. And yeah. And let me see what the time, well, day is. It is Monday. Well, I guess you could really say it's Sunday on the 13th. So hypothetically, I should be making or posting this video on Sunday the 20th. Wish me luck. And I have this on a different computer, by the way, so yeah. I am staking, but on a different computer. So yeah. See y'all later. Alright, so it's now Monday 21st of March. So now we just gotta get what our balance is now and then subtracted by that, and that's how much I made in a week mining Pulsar. So if I can think correctly, there we go. They just got another pending thing, so I'm just gonna do the total. 3, 7, if I can think straight. 6,199 minus. On here it says, oh shit, god damn it, I didn't cancel this one. Well, whatever, we'll just type it again. 3,76199 minus 435.146200. Well, zeros are useless. So in a week I made 573, and mining that curve hash coin was 435, which we're not talking about that. So this is how much I made in a week mining Pulsar with all my CPUs. Now we need to figure out how much I made on just one CPU, which I'm going to use the 3900X for an example, because most people mine with 3900Xs, even though I was planning to use the series only to mine other coins with 1600X and 570, and that's it, but whatever. We'll use the 3900X for an example. I know I already repeated myself. So basically, all I got to do is add this up, find the mean. Wait, how would I do this? Yeah, I'll add this up, and then I'll just find the percentage. Yeah. So, out of curiosity, how much would this... Can I copy this, please? Hello? Whatever. How much would this be? I don't really trust that. Expitron 278. Okay, it's close enough. So I don't need this much anymore. So we're gonna do that times 0.02, nope, 282. So in a week I made 16 bucks. That's pretty good. Actually, shut up. Yeah, that's not bad. So if you divide that by 7, $2.30. That's not horrible. So if I go in here and go to, well, I'm on Discord. Actually, that's a DM. I can't show that. Let me just go to the thing first. All right. So I did a little bit of math. So 13900X would make 50 cents. And on here, I believe 13900X is, fuck, I don't even remember. I don't have messages pinned. I think it was, God, I don't remember. It's been so long since I mined Raptorium. I think it was 3,000, right? That sounds right. $0.50. Okay. Because this is my total hash rate, right? And it gets $2.15. If you do that times 7, it would be 14 bucks. Which I did the calculations on here. Didn't save. So if we go to Pulsar, that's the total. Oh yeah, this is what it is right here. This is what I need. So I would have made 16 bucks in a week, right? Then on here, I made, if I do that, that would be like $14.70 or 80-ish cents. So overall, I did get more money mining Pulsar, just a tad bit. And I get, let's see here. So that's how much money I got. So if I times that by a percentage, which was 0.21, we'll be doing 94. So basically all I did was add all the hash rate together, get the average hash rate, and then try to figure out the percentage of 13900X. So that's how much it makes in a week. If we divide that by 7, that's how much it makes in a day. Then on here, I think the hash rate was around 3 kilohash for Raptorium. And that also makes 50 cents. Weird. That is weird. Well, is this coin... Oh, man. Sorry. Is this coin worth mining? I mean, it's not a horrible coin to mine. But I personally rather mine Raptorium. And, yeah. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this series. And, yeah. That's it.